Good morning, welcome to the Market View for Monday the 12th of May 2014. And starting off with the 30-minute chart, we can see that on Friday we had a sell PTP, which was filled just after the trade news, and then prices finding support at the 169 level there. You can see the grey psychological level there. Eventually the market breaks through this and then trades through the support 2 and also the scalp level. They're driving lower with some professional selling, and then eventually trading down to the 168.50 level there. And then you can see the buying coming into the market in this bar here, this green candle. Prices then try to move back up, only to find they're met with resistance and then move lower. Notice this price bar, how prices come off the low and the volume is high. It isn't signaled with one of the test bars, but again, because it's just outside of the criteria that we would need, but we can see there's a significant increase in volume, which brings the support back into the market, of which has allowed the market to trade sideways since the evening session on Friday and then the overnight for yesterday. So the maximum that could have been made on this trade using the principles recorded in a video a couple of weeks ago of trailing the stop down 50% above any green candle. We can see this first one would have been at break even. The market didn't trade back up to this, so then the market continued and broke through the 169 and then traded down, and the next green candle we see is here at 168.64. So let me just remove this one out of the way for you. So we've got the entry price there of 169.13, and then we've got the market stopping out at 168.64, and the quickest way to do this is to use the tools, the pip measurement, and then just to come down with the arrow from one to the other, and you can see there 49 pips. So just under 49 pips thereabouts for the trade on Friday, staying in using the longer term trade management techniques there. So let's have a look at the daily chart, see what the market's doing in the bigger picture. We can see we're down at the 168.50 at the moment. The market finding a bit of support on the overnight there, and coming off the last 3 days, so due for some sort of support coming into the market, and no doubt going back into some sort of sideways trading range there. So let's just draw in a couple of potential upside targets. Let's first remove the tools there, just give you a bit more space on the screen. So from the high down to this low, we're looking at, let me just move this out of the way, it doesn't like that in the way there. We are looking at the 62 and 76% retracement back. So the top of this bar here is 62%, 169.32, followed by 169.55 there. So again, you can see you've got the 169.50 area just in here as well. So that's where the market could go back. But before it gets to there in the medium term, we also have some resistance at 169. And of course, we've still got to take out the 168.50 as well, which the market appears to be trading at that level at the moment. So that's sort of the first medium-term target back to the upside. There is a bit of support to the downside here. If the market moves low, we can see where the market came off the lows and then moved up a week ago tomorrow on this bar following the bank holiday, where the market put in 100 plus pips there. So that would be the first downside target if the market moves lower today, followed by the psychological support there at 168. So watch out for that as well. There's news today. Let's just have a quick look. Let's just get rid of a few things here. No news today of any significance. Plosser is speaking at 5 p.m, so keep this in mind. There is no economic news today, so the market could be one of two things: either extremely quiet and choppy, or it will go off in one direction. And then at 7 p.m. again, we've got the Fed budget balance, which figures are to be released at 7 p.m. as well. So that's about it for this Monday morning. It's a case of waiting to see what the market does. There's nothing to move it. As I say, the economic news items are non-existent for today's trading session there. Right, all things being equal, I will see you in tomorrow's market view. As ever, thank you for your support and also for watching.